Now see the first. If a ray of light is travel from a rare medium to denser medium, it bends toward the normal. See the figure. So this is normal. If a ray of light travel from rare medium, air means rare medium, to denser medium. Denser medium means glass. When light passes from rare medium to denser medium, it always bends toward the normal. Okay, so it always bends toward the normal. This is normal, so it bends toward the normal. Okay, now if a ray of light travel from if a ray of light travel from denser to rare, now glass is denser medium and air is rare medium. Now light travel from denser to rare medium. It bends away from the normal. So this is normal. So it bends away from the normal. Okay. So here bending. So this angle is incident angle and this angle is refraction angle. Okay. Now third is, if a ray of light is falling normally on the surface separated the two medium, it travel along the same path. Okay. So in this figure, this is rare medium and this is glass. If a ray of light fall on the normally on the surface separated of the two medium, so it travel along the same path. So this is a same path, travel from a same path. Okay, now let us discuss some important terms in a refraction of light. First is incident ray. Okay, so the ray of light falling on the surface separated the two medium is called incident ray, like AO. This is incident ray. Okay, and OB is refracted ray. Okay, so second point is refracted ray. So this is our normal. Okay, so first is incident ray. A ray of light falling on the surface separated the two medium is called the incident ray. Refracted ray, a ray of light travel in a other medium in changed direction is called refracted ray. Normal, the perpendicular draw on the interface. Okay, so this perpendicular draw on the interface, this is called normal. Okay, and then angle of incident, if the angle made by incident ray with the normal, this angle is incident angle. If the angle made by refracted ray with the normal is called angle of refraction. So angle I represent as an angle of incident and then angle R is represent as a angle of refraction. Okay, now next topic is law of refraction. Okay, so our next topic is